So what is Phantom Mint all about? Well, the creators are introducing a system that promises to let anyone, and I mean anyone, create their own digital coin. Whether you're an absolute beginner or someone with no technical skills, the claim is you can create your own coin in just minutes. And get this, they say it requires no upfront costs and works globally. Pretty intriguing, right? One thing they emphasize is anonymity. You can run this without revealing your identity, which might appeal to those who value privacy in the crypto space. Plus, you'll be tapping into decentralized platforms that are creating opportunities every day for new coins, especially meme coins, to gain traction. They also highlight the potential for significant profits, but of course, as with any venture, results can vary. Now, if this all sounds too good to be true, it's worth doing your homework. James and Max are known for bringing innovative systems to the table, but it's always important to dive into the details and assess whether it aligns with your goals. Personally, I think Phantom Mint is worth keeping an eye on, especially if you're interested in exploring crypto in a fresh, creative way. But as always, approach with caution and remember, crypto isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Success often requires strategy and patience. If you're interested in learning more, I'll leave a link in the description to their official sales page so you can decide for yourself. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest digital tools and opportunities. See you in the next one.